Zimbabwe's President Emmerson Mnangagwa extends a significant invitation to Russia. Mnangagwa met with Russian President Vladimir Putin and did not just shake hands for the cameras. He laid down a major proposition, inviting Russia to ramp up its investment in Zimbabwe. Why? Well, according to Mnangagwa, the West has turned its back on Zimbabwe, leaving a void that he believes Russia could fill. But this isn't just about money and mines. Putin and Mnangagwa discussed more than just economic ties. They touched upon educational cooperation, with an increasing number of Zimbabwean students heading to Russia. This speaks volumes about their commitment to a partnership that goes beyond mere transactions. It's about building long-term ties, fostering goodwill, and perhaps creating stability in a region where global alliances are constantly shifting. And here's the kicker from Mnangagwa himself: they are trying to consolidate their power in Zambia. We were once part of one country that was divided. The Americans are consolidating their forces in this country from a security point of view, from the point of view of financial support for Zambia, he explained. This statement highlights the geopolitical chess game that's playing out in southern Africa. Zimbabwe isn't just looking for investors, they're looking for allies in a world where allegiances are everything. The takeaway: the dynamics of international relations are ever-changing, and countries like Zimbabwe are actively seeking new partnerships to navigate these waters. This invitation to Russia could signify a shift, not just for Zimbabwe or Russia, but for global alignments and economic strategies in the future. That's it for today's analysis. I hope it gives you a clearer picture of how international economics and politics can intersect in profound ways. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video where we decode more global politics. Stay curious.